This is a wonderful meat recipe. You're going to start by separating 1 kilogram of meat and just cut it into strips. This meat is very tender for making potted meat. Then we're going to cut into cubes. Now, after finishing the meat, you want to go ahead and separate your pot. Then add 1 tablespoon of margarine and just melt that really well. And after finishing, separate the pieces of meat and add them to the pan with the margarine. You don't need to add any seasonings yet. We will get there. And you want to just stir until that meat is nice and fried. The taste of this recipe, it's going to surprise you. So once the meat looks like this, it is ready. So go ahead and turn off the heat and just remove the meat from the pan. I prefer to use a large sieve to help me with that. And then in the same pan, we're going to add 3 chopped onions, add 3 chopped garlic cloves, and just saute these ingredients really well. The flavor of the onion and the garlic, it's so wonderful. Now, after sauteing, our spices are ready. So now we're going to add the pieces of fried meat. And then we are going to season. So add a little bit of salt, add some paprika, black pepper, and then add 2 chopped tomatoes. Now just stir well and mix in the meat and the other ingredients. Get it all covered. Now we're going to add 200 milliliters of water. And then put the lid on and cook for about 5 minutes after the pressure has built up. Now, after this time, the meat is almost ready. Gosh, it smells so wonderful. Now we're just going to add 1 carrot that's cut into slices. And then also add some small unpeeled potatoes. Then add 200 milliliters of water again and just stir until the ingredients are all well incorporated. The flavor of this meat is so wonderful. So now just cover and cook for 10 minutes. And then after that time, it's time to check the result. Wow. The potatoes are very soft and they're super tasty. I think we should go ahead and try it. The meat is perfectly cooked and the taste is surreal. Get your family to try this recipe. Enjoy.